Hey, everyone! Dreaming of exploring amazing places but think your bank account says stay home? Well, I'm here to tell you that traveling the world doesn't have to cost a fortune. With smart planning and a few tricks, you can see incredible sights without breaking the bank. Let's dive into how you can make those travel dreams a budget-friendly reality. It's all about making conscious choices and being a little savvy. The first step to budget travel is planning. Don't just wing it entirely, do some research beforehand. Knowing typical costs helps you set a realistic budget. Look into the best time to visit your desired destination. Traveling during the shoulder season, just before or after peak tourist time, can save you a lot on flights and accommodation. Plus, places are often less crowded. Flexibility is your best friend. If you can be flexible with your travel dates or even your destination, you'll find much better deals. Use flight comparison websites with flexible date options. Where you sleep can be a huge part of your budget. Hotels can be expensive, but there are tons of alternatives. Hostels are fantastic for meeting people and are usually very affordable. Consider guest houses or budget hotels, especially in parts of Asia or Latin America. Airbnb can also offer good value, especially if you're staying longer or traveling with someone. Don't forget about options like house sitting or even camping if that fits your style. Sometimes, the cheapest bed is also the most unique experience. Transportation costs add up quickly. For long distances, look into budget airlines, but always factor in baggage fees and airport transfers. Sometimes, a train or bus can be cheaper and more scenic. Once you're in a city, walk as much as possible. It's free, great exercise, and the best way to discover hidden gems. Use local public transport like buses and subways, they're way cheaper than taxis. Look into travel passes if you plan on using public transport extensively. Renting a bike is another fun and cheap way to explore many destinations. Food is a necessary expense, but it doesn't have to drain your funds. Avoid eating every meal in touristy restaurants. Seek out local eateries where prices are lower and the food is often more authentic. Street food is usually delicious and incredibly cheap. Don't be afraid to try it where it's popular and looks clean. It's a true taste of the local culture. Visit local markets to buy fresh produce, bread, and snacks. If your accommodation has a kitchen, cooking some of your own meals is a massive money saver. Even just making your own breakfast and packing snacks helps. You don't need expensive tours to have amazing experiences. Many cities offer free walking tours that are tip-based. They're a great introduction to the area. Explore parks, public gardens, and natural landscapes. Hiking, swimming at public beaches, or simply wandering through interesting neighborhoods costs nothing. Look for free museum days or discounted entry times. Many attractions have specific hours or days when admission is free or significantly reduced. Do your research beforehand. Budget travel often requires a flexible mindset. Things might not always go perfectly, and that's okay. Embrace the unexpected adventures. Be open to trying new things and living simply while you travel. The goal is the experience, not luxury. Focus on creating memories. Traveling the world on a budget is absolutely achievable. It requires planning, smart choices, and a willingness to live like a local. Start small, apply these tips, and watch your travel possibilities expand. Happy travels!